Welcome to 14289 Meadowlands Drive in Riverside, California. This beautiful home has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It's a 2-story home in the beautiful neighborhood of Canyon Ridge. It has an open concept layout with 2,465 square feet inside and over 8,200 square feet outside. There's a 2-car attached garage with direct access to the home. Head upstairs where you'll find all 3 bedrooms, a huge landing, the laundry room, and a beautiful suite. All 3 bedrooms are oversized with corner windows, mirrored closet doors, and ceiling fans. Here's the adorable laundry room, conveniently located near the bedrooms. Each bedroom has beautiful views of Riverside. 4th of July is extra fun, where you can see fireworks in every direction. The primary suite has dual sinks, an oversized shower, its own toilet closet, its own bathtub, and 2 walk-in closets. This home has so many beautiful upgrades, including the newer leased solar panels. Make this beautiful home your own. Contact me for a private showing of